Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let's take a look at how Gemini works inside Google Docs with a simple example. Normally, Docs is just a place to type and collaborate, but now with Gemini, you can generate or refine content instantly. Okay, let's try it out together. On a blank page in Google Docs, you will see several options like this. Generate a document to create a full document from scratch, and help me write options to generate or expand specific sections, and then templates where you can use ready-made templates like this, ready-made templates, or just generate your own. And then it has more options like AI summary, meetings notes, email draft, and more like this. Now for example, let's try to generate a full document. Just click on generate document and then just describe the document that you want to create, and you can also add a content from your another files by type add and then just type your file names. And in this tutorial, for example, I will generate a document like this, and then just click create, and here it is. Gemini has generated a complete meeting agenda that already organized with several sections like this. And besides, you can generate a full document. Gemini, you can also refine it easily. Just highlight the area that you want to refine. For example, like this. I will refine in this area, in this part. And then just click on refine. And here you will see several options, several refines options that you can choose, like a rephrase, shorten, elaborate, or make it more formal. And for example, in this tutorial, I will choose elaborate. Like this, Gemini will instantly expand it with more detailed talking points like this. And if you unsatisfied with the result, with the refine result, you can tap on refines again or just type your prompt in here. But if you already satisfied with the result, just hit insert, so it will add on your document like this. Okay, with this way, instead of starting from scratch or editing everything manually, Gemini does the heavy lifting for you. So in short, Google Docs is no longer just a blank page. It's your AI-powered co-writer that helps you brainstorm, draft, and refines content faster than ever. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.